Welcome guys, this is another logically C++ program to print sum of digits of integers value, right? Example, see here 234 is equal to 9 because we take 2 plus 3 and then plus 4, we'll get 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9. So also in order to master the logic behind and the while loop control statement, we are going to use it to implement this program, right? So first step as usual is variable declaration. We are going to use 3 variables. Num, which is the number, we are going to find its sum. This b, which is used to find out the remainder, and this sum which helps us to count the sum of these numbers, right? So now also we need to enter the number and read it from the user input, right? So now after we are going to use while loop as I already said, right? While our number must differ from 0, right? Yeah, to mean our number must not equal to 0 because we can't find the sum of number which is 0, right? So now after this we are going to find out this b, which is represents the remainder. This b is represent remainder which is equal to num modulus 10. You see, like this. Then our sum will be equal to sum plus this remainder. Sum will be equal to sum plus this b, right? Yeah, like this. Now our new number will be equal to num divided by 10, like this. You see? Now after this we are going now to display our sum. See what sum of number is, then double quotation here and space like this, then our sum here, right? Like this. So let us make compilation to check whether there is some errors or not. You see, fortunately there is no error. Let us run our program and find out an output. So first of all we have to enter the number. Let us enter this one which is already discussed on, this 234, and we have seen that the sum of its digits is equal to 9, right? So you see the sum of number is 9. So we can enter another number. For example, let us enter this one, the 512, like this. And when we check this number, the sum of its digits will be equal to 8 because we will take 5 plus 1 will be 6, and then 6 plus 2 it will be the 8, right? So to mean the sum of these digits is 8, right? So you see the sum of number is 8. So this is how we can write C++ program by using while loop to make summation of digits of the given integer number, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and to share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our amazing lessons. So see you in next one.